Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sound on your Android phone. So guys, this tutorial is especially for Samsung users. For another Android user, the step will be a little different, but basically it's the same. So let's get started. First of all, open your file manager on your Android phone, then select the internal storage option, and you have to select or choose a sound or audio from your device that you want to set as your notification sound. And for example, I'm going to select my audio from this ringtone folder, this one. Then we can move or copy this audio to the notification folder on the internal storage. So you can tap on hold on the audio, then you can either click on move or copy. And for me, I'm just going to click on copy. Then we can go back to the previous section on our file manager and search for the notification folder. Wait, where is it? Okay, this is the notification folder. We have to tap on it, then you can click on copy here or move here. Okay, and now we can go to our settings application on our Android phone. So this is my settings application, so I'm tapping on it. Then we can tap on the sounds and vibration, this one. Then select the notification sound. Then you can select your SIM card you want to set custom notification sound for. And I'm gonna go with this SIM one. Then after that, we can select the notification sound we have just put on the notification folder. Okay, and this is the notification sound I want to use for my phone. Then we just need to tap on it. Alright guys, and that's how we can set custom notification sound on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.